Hello class, Mr. Stone here. Today's lesson is going to be adding mixed numbers, and we're going to use the butterfly method. So I'll explain that to you. I kind of have a little chart on the top, the right, and it's 3/4 plus 1/6. So how they do that, you kind of make a little butterfly out of it, as you see, okay? And you cross multiply, so 3 times 6 is 18. And then this is a plus. Okay, see, it's a plus. So you just carry that plus over. If that was a minus, you'd carry the minus over. Okay, so that's the only difference. Now, then you go 4 times 1, so it's plus 4. And now the bottom is actually, you just multiply across. Okay, I'm going to write a little X here. Okay, even though I hate X's, I like dots better. But, you know, you can write an X or a dot, whatever helps you. Okay, I like the dot better because sometimes down the road you're doing math formulas, and a lot of times as a variable they'll write the X. So the dot kind of works out better. So it's 4 times 6, 24, and that's at the bottom. So now you add these together. So you get 18 plus 4 is 22 24ths, as they show right here. And now that could be reduced. 2 goes into both. So 2 goes into 22 11 times, and 2 goes into 24 12 times. So the answer on this problem here is 11/12, and that's all there was to it. Okay, now let's move down to our problems. Okay, we got adding mixed numbers. Now this is a little easier than you think. Okay, so the first two, the 2 and the 5, just kind of go in 7, and now I can write the 1/3 plus 3/7. We use the butterfly method. We go across like that. Let's make the little butterfly first. Okay, put the plus up there because we know it's going to be a plus. So we got 7 times 1 is 7, plus 9 over 21. We carry that over. We got 16 over 21. Now we carry the 7 out, because remember the 7. We can't forget that. There's that 7. Okay? So the answer is 7, 16 21st. Put a square around that. That's it. Okay? Let's go on to the next one. Okay? 5 and 2, it's 7. So we know the 7 is going to be out here. Now the next is going to be 1/4. 1/4 plus 2/3. Make the little butterfly. So equals, I can keep carrying the 7 forward, I guess, 7. And then we get the 4. We got 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 4 times 2 is 8. Now at the bottom, it's going to be a times. 4 times 3 is 12. So this is going to equal 7 11/12. And that's all there was to that one. That was relatively easy. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, we got 3 plus 6. We're going to have 9. We know these two are going to add together. Okay, that's easy. Now we get 2/5 plus 1/3. Let's make the little butterfly again. We're going to end up equals 9, 6 plus 5 over 15 equals 9 11/15. That's all there is to it. So let's square that off so the teacher knows, hey, that's my answer. Okay, let's go on to the next one. We're moving right along on these ones. So we got 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we got 1/2 plus 1/3. Make the little butterfly again. So we got equals 5. 3 plus 2. We cross multiply. And then at the bottom, we got 2 times 3, 6. Equals, I'm going to just write below this, okay? 5, 5, 6. And that's the answer, 5 and 5, 6. Okay, let's go on to the next one. I'm going to write right below, a little more space there. Okay, So we get 5. And now 1/5 plus 3/4 make our little butterfly equals 5. Multiply across. So we get 4 plus 5 times 3 is 15. Now at the bottom we get 20. This is going to equal 5. Add the across the top, 19 20ths. That's it. Now, remember what I always say, like if you write neat and you can go back, like say I'm finished the test now, never turn that test paper in first, okay? Always be like the last one. Hey, they're flipping the lights and telling the class is over, hey, you got to get out of here, okay? That's when you turn it in. So that way you can go back and you can check all these things like, hey, is 4 plus 15, is it 19? You know, did 4 times 5, is it 20? You know, you can go back and you check all this work. That's why you want to write this all out. Some of these, like you say, oh, I can do that in my head. You never want to do it in your head. Always have it on the paper, so that way you can go back and look at this and double check your work at the end. Because who knows, you might do a simple math error like 2 plus 2 and you might come up with 5. And then when you go back and look and say, oh no, 2 plus 2 is 4. Here, let me change this, you know, and that way you get that one correct instead of wrong, okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. You guys have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.